Hey everyone, this is Corey from the Secure Chat Podcast, and today for our Security Tip Tuesday, I'd like to talk to you about the importance of a step-by-step Azure plan when you plan to migrate your data. Whether you're going completely cloud or you're going to do some type of hybrid environment, it's important to make sure that you have a step-by-step plan in place to make sure the execution is flawless. If you have a step-by-step guide, you'll be able to understand what is happening. You'll have your whole team working as one group, and if there is some type of breakdown, you'll understand where the breakdown happened. This is also very good because if an end user is affected in any way, you'll be able to explain to the end user why they're affected and when there will be a resolution in place. If you're interested in hearing more about this or even how RKON goes about migrations, feel free to reach out to us or go to our website where there's more information. Awesome. Thank you.